Hello, welcome from Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. I have for you here a camper van which says it's luxury and 640 centimeters long, 6.4 meters long. This is a prototype and it's going to cost this much money, so it's 79,000 euros. Let's have a look inside. There you go. As a prototype normally means it's not going to be it may be available, it may not, so it depends. Right, what's prototype about this? Well, it's got a very interesting large bed at the back. It has got a which has been extended actually, and you can see, because they say the mattress system's divided into three. So as always with a camper van, you can take the mattresses out, you can put them to one side, you get the storage underneath, etc. It's got storage all the way around. Actually, that's much deeper than it looks. And it's got this ledge under it, which everybody seems to be doing so far. And I think these ledges, okay, except a little bit of a ledge for a hearing aid and a mobile phone. But how many hearing aids and mobile phones are you taking to bed with you at night? And okay, storage down here. That is very, very good. That is super good. And here as well, slide out, very, very convenient. And in here we've got a wardrobe. So that definitely gets my seal of approval. Let's have a look in the washroom. Very attractive. I appreciate it's not real stone or something like that, but as you get in a hotel, but it certainly looks really, really good. Obviously everything here's got to be lightweight. Oh wow, very nice. And the space inside it as well. I'll close this a bit. And you can see there's me and the space inside. Very good. It comes obviously with something to stop you getting the toilet wet, which is this. And it's also very, very bright. Now this is on a Fiat Ducato. The problem with the Fiat Ducato is its size. I'm going to show you how much space I've got. So there's me inside. So you've got, okay, it's not too bad. I'm 175 centimeters tall. I do feel sorry for people who are walking in vans all the time with the head crouched. Must be very uncomfortable. Two window lights up there. Storage around here. A really big table for a camper van. The kitchen block is same as you get everywhere, and there's the fridge from Thetford. Most hobbies units are from Dometic. Kitchen block. Nice floor. And as you're leaving, you can check what the score is with your lighting. Turn the 12 volt off here. You can turn your heating on or off. You've got a mosquito net in the door. There's an extension. It's got lots of things. And Prestige Van First Edition. That's the rear. Two gas canisters. Also note this, they can be easily removed. You unlock it here and you pull it out. I can't demonstrate it because I've only got one free hand. They're the ones holding the camera. You need two hands for that. Here you can see, as always, you can remove this and this comes out, and etc, etc. I also even got a ladder to get up into bed with. Lots of space down there. Lashing straps as well. It's got windows in the door from Polyvision, a unit of lipid components, and you can open the windows, which very pleasant when the weather is as it is now. Yeah, I think as vans go, I do quite like that one. So the van's 636 centimeters long, incidentally. But it's, we could say it's in the 6.4 class, if you like. Right, good, very nice. And so it comes with extras, what do you call, options for that value. Okay, it's nearly 80,000 euros. It's fair whack of cash for a van. Incidentally, whilst I'm on this subject of new hobby vans, they have a van over here, absolutely in the same price range, but it's based on the Volkswagen. And I'll give you a quick look inside of it, and this might be of interest. It comes in two varieties, one with the bed at the back and the other with a rear lounge. And I think this really actually, as much as I like that other one, I think this is an even better option. So got this big lounge at the back, storage all the way around. Sorry, not a lounge, that's a bed. Big bed at the back, got the storage underneath. I'll show you the bathroom as well. Okay, let's put this room up front than there is in the other one, but all the same. And I'll show you the other one at the same time. This one here is 74,500. Similar size. It's not really similar. This one's 680 centimeters long, so it's an extra 44 centimeters. Here it's got a rear lounge. You know, wardrobe there, toilet there, rear lounge at the back, and obviously far less storage, but because you've got the rear lounge, but also you've got all this standing height in it. For taller people, this is a far better option, or the other one's a far better option if you want the rear bed and the storage under the bed. Anyway, that's my opinion. It's also Volkswagen as opposed to a Fiat Ducato, for those who have a problem with Fiat Ducatos. Anyway, good. I've shown you the vehicles. If you're interested, then I've put some information below, providing of course that the information is available as it's a prototype. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting, and I upload every day at 21:15, so you'll find lots and lots of motorhomes and campervans on this channel. For the moment, from me in Germany, all the best. Bye for now.